Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Facebook keeps logging out automatically, and how you can resolve that. So you just have to follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the basic settings of your iPhone and just trying to resolve that problem. So why Facebook keeps logging out? So many users facing issue that because they cannot during the login they're saying that you just have to keep sign in or not, so you just have to just click on that sign in and you're not logging automatically, and simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and just simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. You have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that you're just using the updated version of your iOS in your iPhone, in your iPad. And also that simply just call it down, and during that you don't connect with any VPN. So many users facing issue because they connect with any VPN, so they can automatically log out your ID because issue of the security and also security concern. So that's why Facebook your ID automatically log out from your app and also from your Apple account and also in your iPhone. So after that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and simply just go to the screen time and just scroll it down and just see the content and privacy restrictions, and just have to just turn it on from here. After that, simply just go back and simply just go to the privacy and security sections. So many users facing issue because they have the problem with the location services on the Apple iPhone, and simply just go to that section and just scroll it down and just go to the system services and then again scroll it down and see that there are significant locations. So make sure that it turn it on, so and don't connect with any VPN. So make sure your Facebook get a perfect location of your ID and you log in when you don't want to log out. So after that you just have to just do that settings. After that all settings, if your Facebook is not, if your Facebook is not getting the problem and the problem gonna solve, that's good. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just delete your Facebook app and just again go to the app store and just simply search a Facebook and just download from the app store. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.